In this video, we're going to show you how you can install a mod menu for Minecraft version 1.21.7 and onwards. If you want to manage your mods easily here in this new Minecraft update, let's get you set up with a mod menu step by step. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. First things first, if you're in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of it. And yes, this does include the launcher, and open up a web browser of your choice. In this instance, we're going to use Google Chrome, but anything works. Go ahead and search up mod menu, Modrinth, just like so, and hit enter, and then click on this first link right here. It should take you to a page that looks something like this. Find the versions tab and then select the game versions option and put it on 1.21.7. This is going to be the one you're going to want to install. Just hit this little download icon just like so, and it'll start downloading for you up here. Now you may notice that this does use Fabric. And if you already have Fabric installed with a mods folder in the Fabric API, just drag that mod menu into there. But you're also going to need another mod. If you don't have Fabric or Fabric API, don't worry, we're going over that in just a sec. So just continue watching the video. Go back to the main Modrinth page on this by clicking Modrinth and then find Discover Content and click Mods. Go to the search icon and type in Placeholder API and go ahead and click on this first one, and it should look something like this. Find versions again, go ahead and select game versions and select 1.21.7 and hit this download icon as well. Now from here, we're going to download Fabric and Fabric API. Go ahead and search up in a new tab, fabricmc.net, and hit enter, and then hit download on this page and then download for Windows, just like so. If you're not on Windows, just hit download for Universal Jar. Open up one more new tab and search in Fabric API and hit enter, and go to the Modrinth tab just like so. Go to the versions tab and then select game versions and put it on 1.21.7 and download this top version right here by clicking this little download icon. Now open up that Fabric installer folder by clicking on it just like so, and it should open up a page that looks like this. Just ensure that Minecraft is selected in the 1.21.7 version, or if you're doing this in future updates, whatever the current future update is, make sure it says create profile just like so and hit install. Once it installs, go ahead and close out of it and open up the Minecraft launcher, and you'll notice that you'll have this Fabric loader up at the very left section by the play button. Go ahead, if you don't have this selected, and open up this folder and select Fabric Loader 1.21.7, and then go to this Installations tab and find that same loader and click on this little folder icon here. Find the mods folder within this. If you don't have a mods folder, just simply right click, hit new, and then create a folder, and make sure it's labeled as mods just like so, all lowercase. But open up this folder, and you're going to need to drag in a few things. So go ahead and open up another File Explorer tab, go to Downloads, and first, drag in that mod menu. Then select the Placeholder API and drag that in, and finally drag in that Fabric API as well. Now you can close out of all of this stuff and go back to this Play tab. Once again, just ensure that Fabric Loader is on here and hit play. Once a game launches, look at the main menu. You should now see a mods button next to Minecraft Realms at the very bottom. Click it and you'll see not only installed mods, but you should see that mod menu in here as well. From here, you can go ahead and click on it and then click on the logo itself and configure or manage compatible mods directly in-game. But it really is as simple as that. You now have a mod menu working in Minecraft version 1.21.7 and onwards. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, if you want to help us out even more, make sure to like the video. It lets YouTube know that this video was helpful. Have a great day.